Welcome to Worn and Wound HQ, consequently also where all Windup Watch Shop orders are managed. I'm Patrick Marlette, your friendly neighborhood shop guide, and I'm going to take you from beginning to end on how items ultimately make their way into our inventory and to your door. To help me, we'll be joined by IC, our e-commerce manager, and Krista, our customer service and logistics manager. Let's start at the beginning and get a better understanding of how we curate the product you see on Windup Watch Shop.
Hi, my name is IC Omobade, and I am the e-commerce manager for Windup Watch Shop. I also assist with product development. So the process we go through to get products in the shop is usually in phases. The first phase, we determine what product we want to carry. When we decide how many we want to carry of a product and what product we want to carry, we go ahead and place an order with the vendor. And when the order is processed, of course, we receive them, and then we start the process of getting them into the system. When you purchase a product on our website, be rest assured that they're warranted, because we're an authorized retailer for all the brands you see on our website. And when you place your order, our fulfillment team, with Krista heading that, takes over that process.
So at the Windup Watch Shop, I oversee that portion of a product's life cycle that happens from when it hits our site and our shelves to when it shows up at your doorstep. That includes customer service and fulfillment. So while we do have some products on our site that are drop shipped by the vendors, the majority of our products are housed here in Brooklyn, New York. So when you place an order on our website, you'll get a confirmation email from sales@warnandwound.com. And then whenever our team fulfills your order, you'll also get a shipping confirmation email from that same email address. But if you have any questions about that order, you can send an email to that same email address and you'll get me or my associate. Orders are also fulfilled here in our Brooklyn warehouse, so why don't you come with me and we'll take a look. When we launched the shop, we only offered straps and accessories, but over the past few years, we've expanded our product lines to include EDC, watches, and clocks. We have a very flexible return policy. If for any reason you decide that you don't want to keep the product that you ordered from us, you have 30 days to return it, as long as the item is completely unused, unworn, and undamaged. If in the unlikely event the product that you received arrived damaged or defective, let us know, and we'll be happy to exchange it for you. Once your order has been fulfilled, you will receive a shipping confirmation email with tracking information.
I hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes glimpse of Windup Watch Shop. Be sure to stay tuned for more information on the latest releases, tutorials, and more right here on Windup Watch Shop's YouTube channel.